Whether a jnani has got prarabdha or not, there are two viewpoints. One viewpoint is prarabdha karma has already started its momentum before gaining the Atma Jnana. And because it is already generated, unless it exhausts its momentum, it is not going to stop. Illustration was there. So somebody shooting an arrow thinking there is a tiger. But actually what happened was there was a cow. Now when he shot the arrow, so he had shot the target. But afterwards discovering that it is a cow is not going to stop the arrow is going to hit the target. Like that, in the Ajnana Avastha, prarabdha of the body already started. Afterwards, this person got the knowledge, but the momentum of the body is bound to continue as such. Sanchita karma, agami karma, they get destroyed, but not the prarabdha karma. So this is what Shruti also says, is first summarized, and then it is pointed out. Truly speaking, from the standpoint of the jnani, if he is totally absorbed in the Swarupa, he has no identity in the body, prarabdha is not there. To begin with, we may say that prarabdha is for the body. But for a body also, how it can, because anything adhyastha has nothing to do with that. So two viewpoints of it say prarabdha is not for the jnani because Atma cannot have prarabdha. Atma has nothing to do with the adhyastha body. So why these two contradictory statements are available? They are from two different standpoints. And mainly from Vyavahara standpoint, people see this jnani is knocking around here and there. So any sukha dukkha without the cause is not possible. For their sake, Shruti says, yes, prarabdha is there. But if his mind is so absorbed, says how it is not there will be also shown. Continue.
Prarabdham bhagavattaram karuvinam bhogena tasya kshayaha. Prarabdham bhagavattaram karuvinam bhogena tasya kshayaha. Samyak jnana upachanena vilaya prakanchitavamina. Samyak jnana upachanena vilaya ब्रह्मात्मैक्यमवेक्ष तन्मयतया ये सर्वदा संस्थिताः. ब्रह्मात्मैक्यमवेक्ष तन्मयतया ये सर्वदा संस्थिताः. तेषां तत्त्रितयं न हि क्वचिदपि ब्रह्मैव ते निर्गुणम्. Vidam kayu prarabdham balavattaram tasya kshayaha bhogena tasya bhogena kshayaha tasya bhogena kshayaha प्राक्कञ्चितागामिनां सम्यक् ज्ञानभूताचनेन विलयः. First line as it is, ब्रह्मात्मैक्यमवेक्ष तन्मयतया ये सर्वदा संस्थिताः तेषां तत्कृतयं क्वचित् अपि न हि ते निर्गुणं ब्रह्म एव.
First, the earlier viewpoint that there is prarabdha is summarized, and then he starts unfolding that, truly speaking, for a jnani who has got nishtha in the jnana, there is no karma phala at all. Vidam, Brahma Vidam, Jnaninam, Khalu, indeed, prarabdham balavattaram. Prarabdha is very powerful. They have to undergo the experience of the prarabdha karma. And how? Why it is powerful? Tasya bhogena kshayah. Tasya bhogena kshayah. That means its destruction or its ending is only by bhoga. This is the general rule. Now what happens to the other karma phalas, sanchita and agami pertaining to jnani? He says, samyak jnana hutashanita prak sanchita agamina. Of prak sanchita karma and agami karma. Of these, samyak jnana hutashanena vilaya. Its destruction is by jnana. Why? Ahankara is destroyed, so that the one to whom the sanchita karma, earlier accumulated karma, and the future karmas which are to go after gaining the knowledge, they can't be attached because the one to whom the ahankara, to whom they have to be attached, is no more in the wake of knowledge. So therefore, samyak jnanena. What is the samyak jnanena? Brahma sakshatkarena. Atma sakshatkarena. By the aparoksha jnana, not simply paroksha jnana. By aparoksha jnana, samyak jnana hutashanena. So vilayaha, destruction takes place. This is one view. The other view says there is no karma phala of any variety. Any variety means not only prarabdha, sanchita also is not there, agami also is not there. For whom brahmatmaikam aveksha. Brahmatmaikam aveksha means brahmatma ekatva sakshatkara having got the direct knowledge of Atma Sarupa is nothing but Brahma Sarupa only. Not only that, Tanmayataya ye sarvada samstitaha. This is important. Tanmayataya means Brahmamayataya ye sada samstitaha. Those who always abide in Brahma Sarupa, deha bhana is not there. Awareness of the body is not there at all. So in the who sarvadasita, tesham, for such people, tattritayam, those three, what are those? Sanchita karma, prarabdha karma, agami karma. All these three, they kvachidapi nahi. At no time they can be there for him. Not even a little of it can be for them. Why? Do you know who they are? Te brahmaiva nirgunam brahma. They are nothing but nirguna brahma sarupa. Where is the karma phala for brahma sarupa? Brahma sarupa is for whom? One who has got the embodiment. For them, but one who does the karma. So the one who does the karma is answerable for the karma phala. Atma is nirupadika, akarta. There is no occasion that karma phala can be attached to Atma. So Brahma eva te nirguna. That for a person who has got Atma Sakshatkara, Brahma Sakshatkara, and whose mind is so absorbed in the Swarupa that he has no awareness of the body, for him none of the three karma phalas are not there, is further being explained.
उपाधितादात्म्यविहीन केवल ब्रह्मात्मनैवात्मनि तिष्ठतो मुने प्रारब्धसद्भावकथानयुक्ता स्वप्नार्थसम्बन्धकथेव जागृतः अन्वय जागृतः जागृतः स्वप्नार्थ संबंध
कथा इव
स्वप्नार्थ संबंध कथा इव उपाधि तादात्म्य विहीन केवल ब्रह्मात्मना एव आत्मनि तिष्ठतः मुने प्रारब्ध सद्भावकथा न युक्ता.
Saying that such a jnani has got prarabdha is not a intelligible statement at all. It is not a correct statement. Who is this person for which an illustration is given? Jagrataha swapnartha sambandha katha. A person who was sleeping and he was dreaming. After waking up, what connection this person has got with the dream? Is he responsible for anything done in the dream? Except one thing, I dreamt like that. I underwent such thing, except such memory, he has nothing to do with what happened in the dream. Are you going to connect that way? You fellow took 2 crores rupees from me. And not a single naya paisa you are repaying. Is it that way? It's not possible. So that was say for the jagrataha, for the waking person, swapnartha sambandha katha eva means they have nothing to do with that. Like that, this jnani, who is that jnani? Upadhi tadatmya vihina kevala brahmatmana eva atmani tishtataha muni. 2 things. He has no connection whatsoever with the upadhi, and his mind is totally absorbed in the Brahma Swarupa. That is the person compared to whom? One who has woken up from the dream, fully woken up from the dream. Otherwise, half woken up, gadbad ho jayega. Sometimes it happens. Means neither you are fully woken up, nor you are out of the dream. In between is there. Antaralavastha is there. No. He has totally woken up from the dream, just has nothing to do. He has said, number 1, Upadhi tadatmya vihina, totally free from identification with the embodiment, gross and subtle. Number 2, kevala brahmatmana eva atmani tishtata. Kevala brahmatma, what is that kevala? No trace of identification with the body. Brahmatmana, brahmaswarupena tishtataha muni. In the case of the muni, who has no identification of the body at all, on the contrary, he is totally absorbed in the Brahma Swarupa. For him, prarabdha sadbhava katha na yukta. This statement that he has got prarabdha is not correct at all. Just correct. A fully woken up person has nothing to do with the dream world, including the dreamer. So that's why there is no prarabdha. Further, the same thing is explained.
Nahi prabuddha pratibhata dehe देहोपयोगिन्यपि च प्रपञ्चे करोत्यहन्तां ममतामिदन्ताम् किन्तु स्वयं तिष्ठति जागरेण अन्वय प्रबुद्धः प्रतिभासदेहे योगिन्यपि
योगिनी अपि
देहोपयोगिनी अपि प्रपञ्चे च अहन्तां ममताम् इदन्तां न हि करोति किन्तु स्वयं जागरेण तिष्ठति.
Prabhuddha, one who has woken up from the dream. Prakarshena Buddha, who is totally woken up from the dream, not half. Still half dream is there. So that is for this person. Pratibhasadehe, he doesn't have I-ness and mindness in this. Pratibhasadeha is Swapna Deha, the body which appears to be as my body in the dream. So that is what Pratibhasadeha means, the body that appeared during dream period. In that, the body that appears to be there. Again, Dehopayogini api prapanchecha, all the paraphernalia, all the belongings, etc., which are useful to him in the dream, because he has a palatial building and all servants, etc., lot of property and all that, he was rejoicing where? In the dream. So in that dream body and all dream belongings which are useful to him there, so that is there. Dehopayogini means useful to the body that was being wielded in the dream. Again, prapanche, all other things that were there belonging to him in this. Ahamta, mamata, idamta, nahi karoti. In the deha, dream body, ahamta is not there. In the belongings, mamata is not there. In the objects, etc., that were seen, idamta is not there. It was there, etc., such a notion is not there. Idamta se na karoti. Then what does he do? What does he do? Kintu, whereas Swayam jagarena tishtati. He remains in the waking state. That's all. He is awake as so and so. With all samsara. Dream samsara is not there, but waking samsara is there. So now, just as we have woken up from that dream, wake up from this dream also. All that is there. This also is there. You know that Vasishta's case, not Vasishta, Janaka's case. Janaka, after dinner, he was sitting on the throne and dance was going on. It is entertainment every day. He was very much tired of daily routine, etc. And he dozed off there. Queen noticed so that his sleep should not be disturbed. She signaled to the dancers. They disappeared. So that disturbance should not be there. And she was sitting there. After some time, suddenly, Janaka started, is this true or is that true? Is this true or is that true? So, Maharaj, what are you talking? Is this true or is that true? Only one mantra he has got. Is this true or is that true? She got scared. So she called the minister. So Bhishma was asked, Maharaj, what happened? Only one statement. Is this true or is that true? So no answer at all. They all got alarmed. Which something has gone wrong or what? So finally Vasishta was summoned. Vasishta, same thing. Then Vasishta, by his yogic power, dwelt in the past to see what has happened, he could find while sleeping he had a dream. Who Janaka had a dream. What is that? He lost his kingdom and he had run away to the forest, and there for weeks together he could not get a food. At last, at somewhere some dry roti was available. He went and grabbed, and he was about this thing. An eagle came and snatched it away. Suddenly he woke up. Is this true? This Emperor Janaka is true? Or that fellow who was starving for 1 week was true? It was Vasishtha. He said, Maharaj, neither that is true nor this is true. That is a temporary dream. This is a longer dream only. Neither that is true nor this is true. You are totally different from these things. Just as he is awake in the waking state, one who was dreaming, so Jnani is awake to his Swarupa and not this long dream called Jagarita. Just as the waking person is awake to waking world and not to the dreamer and the dream world, Jnani is awake to his Swarupa and not to this present Jagarita world. What he has to do with the Jagarita world? It starts with the body identity. He is not aware of the body also as such. So that was it. So that is in this mamata, ahamta, mamata and idamta doesn't do. Kintu, what does it do? Swayam, oneself, jagarena tishkati. Remains in his swarupa, this now. Waking state. Illustration is that of the dreamer. That's it. Continuing. So, a person who has woken up from the dream has nothing to do with the dream embodiment, dream belonging as mineness or this as such. So, and he doesn't justify the things that were experienced in the dream as real. Tasya. Tasya means prabuddhasya. One who has woken up, because this is Drishtanta only continues, Darshtanta is going to come. Still the illustration of the person woken up from the dream is going on. Tasya means prabuddhasya, swapna prabuddhasya, one who has woken up from the dream. Mithyartha samarthanechana, he doesn't justify the reality of the things experienced in the dream. Oh, no, it was like this. It doesn't do that. Samarthamecha na. Sangrah jagataha sangraha api na drishta. So jagataha means which jagataha? Swapna jagataha. So swapna jagataha. Sangraha here is svikaraha. Acceptance as real also is not there. And he says, if he continues to take them as real, continues to take what as real, whatever experience in the dream, know for certain this person is not still woken up, is still in the dream. Okay. Tatra means in the swapna vastu etc. Tatra is Vrisharte is all the false things and beings experienced in the dream state. Vrisharte yadi anuvritti means that is continuity. So just as how in dream he was continuing with interacting with the objects etc. So he continues to interact with those things. So anuvritti, case, if it is that, tarhi, in that case, nidraya na muktaha iti dhruvam ishyate. Dhruvam ishyate means certainly it is accepted that this person has not woken up from the dream, is still continuing in his dream. This is Drishtanta. So also now Darshtanta about Brahmajnani.
Sarvatpare Brahmani Vartamana Sadatmana Tishtati Nanyadikshate Kriti Yatha Swapna Vilokitase Tatha Vidaprajanamo Janasau. Sarvatpare Brahmani Vartamana Sadatmana Tishtati Anya Na Ikshate Yatha Swapna Vilokitase Smriti Tata Vidaha Prajana Mojanadau.
Tadvat, like the person who has woken up from the dream. Tadvat. Pare Brahmani Vartamanaha. Person whose mind is totally absorbed in the Parabrahma. Sadatmana Tishtati. Satswarupa Brahma Swarupena Tishtati. He remains in Brahma Swarupa. Remains in Brahma Swarupa. And Anyat Na Ikshate. Anything other than Brahma he doesn't see at all, means his mind is so absorbed in the Swarupa. Then the question some may ask, but you say so, but we have seen him eating, talking, bathing, what about those things? Do you mean to say he doesn't experience them? He says these things, yatha swapna vilokitarthe smriti. When it takes to such things, eating, etc., see, a person woken up from the dream, does he remember them or not? They were all false, but I did experience them. Like that, so yatha swapna vilokitarthe smriti, how there is memory of the things experienced in the dream. Tatha vidaha prashana tatha Tathavidaha prashana mochanado. Or tatha, alternate is there. So vida means tathavida smriti. That type of smriti is there with respect to prashana mochanado. Prashana, eating, mochana, excretion, etc. Means bodily needs, whatever that he attends to, some vague smriti is there because of earlier identification, but he has no reality in all this. This is about a person who is at a higher level of Jivan Mukti state. Not for a person who has just got the Atma Jnana. One who has got the like 6th or 7th state of Jnana Nishtha. So that is highest level of Jivan Mukti. For him it is there. This is that. If it's 7th stage even, this is not there. That fellow will not come out of Samadhi at all. And even with great efforts or different. 6th state will come with the efforts of others. So that is it. 7th state will not be there at all. Will not come back at all. Unless some prarabdha is there for the good of the humanity. So that's so if at all he attends to eating, etc., only a vague smriti like those of the memories of the dream state. For Atma, there is no prarabdha karma. This is justified by reasoning now.
Karmana nirmito deha prarabdham tasya kalpyatam nanaderatmano yuktam naivatma karma nirmitaha. देहा कर्मणा निर्मितः तस्य प्रारब्धं कल्प्यताम् अनादेः आत्मनः न अनादेः आत्मनः प्रारब्धं न युक्तम् आत्मा कर्म निर्मितः न एव.
The talk of prarabdha for Atma is not at all correct. Why so? Deha karmana nirmita. What does karma do? It gives the karma phala. In terms of karma phala, embodiments are born. Deha karmana nirmita. Tasya prarabdham kalpata. You know this accounting of karma phala. Sanchita karma, total accumulated karma to the credit of a jiva, from which whichever is imminent, immediately ready to give the phala, that is prarabdha, and during that whatever that is done, further what is going to give is agami. So sanchita minus prarabdha plus agami, this is the accounting. Nicely. Now from the sanchita, prarabdha karma has given the birth of the body. Now who produced the body? Prarabdha karma. So therefore prarabdha karma is for whom now? Body, which is born. So therefore pratasya, tasya means karmana nirmitasya dehasya. For the body produced by karma, prarabdham kalpata. Let the prarabdha karma be imagined. Right? Body is a product of karma phala. What about Atma? Anadehe Atmanaha. Atma, who is Anadi. What is this Anadi? Beginningless. We keep in mind, Adi we are tempted to translate as beginning. Adi also means cause. Anadi means na adihi yasya, which has no cause. Why? Atma is not produced. If it is produced, you have to say from what cause it is produced. No. Atma is what? Birthless, ever existing principle. So therefore, anadehe means Atma, which has no cause, which is birthless, and therefore beginningless. Beginning means birth. Birthlessness is beginninglessness. Atmana prarabdham na yuktam. To say that it has got a prarabdha is not correct, but it is not a product of karma. Na yuktam. See? Why so? Because Atma karma nirmitaha na eva. Atma is not at all produced by karma. So therefore you can talk about the prarabdha karma, about the body which is born of prarabdha, which is born of the karma. How do you say so? Atma is anadi, etc. That is what Shruti declares. Continue.
Ajo nityaiti surute Shruti svamogava Sadatmanadishtatosya Isha Svamogava Shruti Ajaha Nityaha Iti Brute Sadatmana Tishtataha Asya Prarabdha Kalpana Sutaha.
Esha Shruti. This Shruti Upanishad, what does it say? Atma as say Shruti, Esha, and what type of Shruti? Amoghava. Amoghava means which can never go wrong, whose statement can never be wrong as such. That is, that Amoghava. Amoghava means whose meaning can never be negated. That Shruti, what does it say? Esha Amoghava Shruti. That is, says Atmayat Ajaha Nityaha Iti Brute. Atma is what? Ajaha Nityaha. Ajaha Nityaha Iti Brute. When a person is abiding in the Swarup of Atma, which has no birth, which has no upadhi, there is a question of prarabdha for that. Tadatmana. Tadatmana means ajade Atma Swarupena Tishtataha Asya, that is Jnaninaha. For this Jnani, prarabdha kalpana kutaha. How come prarabdha kalpana is there? Means prarabdha kalpana is not at all possible. Then when prarabdha kalpana is possible? So long as identification in the body is there, prarabdha kalpana is possible. Continue.
Prarabdham siddhyati tata yata dehatmana siddhihi dehatmabhavo naiveshaha prarabdham tyajyamataha. Yada dehatmana siddhihi tada prarabdham siddhyati. Dehatmabhavaha na eva ishtaha ataha prarabdham tyajyata.
You can speak of prarabdha so long as identification of the body is there. Yada, when dehatmana sthiti, one who is identified with the body. Sthiti, abidance, remaining in the dehatmana means deha as I, means so long as identification of the body is there, tada, till then, prarabdham siddhati. Prarabdha can be, that is approved, there is prarabdha, can be established. Whereas, say, dehatma bhavaha na eva ishtaha. Dehatma bhava, identity of the body, is not at all desirable. Because that is the source of all the sorrow of samsara. Dehatma bhava na ishtaha. Therefore, ataha, what is it? Prarabdham tyajyatam. Remain absorbed in the Swarupa, no Dehatma bhava. Atma doesn't have prarabdha, so give up the notion of prarabdha. See, mutual contradictory statements because from two different angles. So actually, they say for a jnani means for jivan mukta, prarabdha is there from lay person standpoint, who are not able to understand the level of the jivan mukta. For them to specify, yes, because this fellow is knocking around in the world. At least he is sitting somewhere, body is seen, etc. Without the karmaphala, how can the body be there? Yes, prarabdha is there. But for asking, which body you are talking about? Even which body you are talking, he will not be able to. He will not, because for that he has to make use of it. Here is the balonmattava. Even if we ask, nothing is registered here at all. So that is he will be absorbed in the Swarup. Depends at what level person. Therefore I say ataha prarabdham tyajyatam. Give up the notion that prarabdha is there. Earlier it was told, body is born of karma phala and therefore body has got prarabdha. Now, even that notion that the body has got prarabdha is knocked down. At one step, body has prarabdha was accepted. Now, even that is now knocked down. Continuing.
Sharirasyapi prarabdha kalpana rāntirevadi. Adyastasya putam sattvam asatvasya puto jani ajatasya puto nācaha prarabdhamataha kutaha. Anvaya sharirasya prarabdha kalpana api nāti eva hi atyastasya sattvam kutaha asatvasya jani kutaha ajatasya nācaha kutaha asataha prarabdham kutaha.
Earlier it was accepted. The body has got prarabdha. Even the body, how it can have prarabdha? Sharirasya prarabdha kalpana api bhranti eva. Even the notion that the body has got the prarabdha karma is only a delusion only. How do you say so? This is the reason. Adhyastasya sattvam kutaha. Body is something superimposed thing, adhyasta. Where does it have any existence? You see, you can talk of karya karana bhava, cause effect relationship for what? Existing thing. Now body is something superimposed, it is Brahma, so therefore adhyastasya, for that body which is superimposed, sattvam kutaha. How come there is existence? Means it has no existence at all. Asattvasya kutaha janihi, that which has no existence, there is a birth, which is, many people have the habit of noting in the diary the birth dates of this thing. Find out which is the date of birth of Vandyaputra. Which is the birth date of Vandyaputra? Who is Vandyaputra? Son of a baron? No. So that is not there. So that is there. Asattvasya janihi kutaha. For a person who has no existence, where is the birth of that? Again, ajatasya kutaha nashaha. What is the anniversary date of Vandyaputra? So when did he die? Who has no existence at all? So therefore, ajatasya, one who is not born at all. Why not born? Then how do you say so? Body is born, body continues, body dies. That is, Vyavahara, Adhyastha is taken for granted for some level. We are talking from Paramartha standpoint. Adhyastha doesn't exist in reality. It is only a delusion of because of avidya only. So therefore, there is that ajatasya kutaha nashaha. Body, adhyastha body, which has no existence, which has never born. There is the expression of destruction for that. Say, asataha prarabdham kutaha. For a thing which really doesn't exist, there is the prarabdha. Now if you have to say, no, that prarabdha is also a delusion, continue, God bless you. We have nothing to say, you continue with that. Like dream, in the dream many things continue, like that continue. But we are talking from the reality standpoint, it is not there. Sir, if that is the case, come on, tell me. Your Shruti says, Tasya tavadeva chiram yavanna vimokshe. Chandogya. For a jnani, jivan mukta, only that much delay is there to gain videya mukti till prarabdha doesn't get exhausted. Dekha, your Shruti. So I am not telling my statement. Upanishad only tells, Chandogya Upanishad tells. For Jivan Mukta, the delay in gaining Videya Mukti is only up to the point of exhaustion of the Prarabdha Karma. Now Shruti accepts or not? Shruti accepts from certain standpoint, from the level of certain people. Continue. if this question comes, यदि इनके ज्ञानेन अज्ञान कार्यस्य समूलम ज्ञानेन समूलस्य अज्ञान कार्यस्य लयः, if you say by Atma Jnana all the effects of ajnana, all the effects of what are all effects of ajnana? Entire jagat including ahankara and the embodiment. So that's why see ajnana samulasya, what is mula? Avidya. If Atma Jnana is to destroy entire jagat including the ajnana and the embodiment, yadi tarhi ayam deha katham tishtati, how this body continues to be, such a doubt is there. Whose doubt it is? Iti shankavataha jada fellow, aviveki, who have got such doubt. They are not able to understand the Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa, and they are not able to understand the adhyastha nature of the Jagat and the body, etc. Shankavataha, those who have got such doubt, jadam prati, that is, with respect to such aviveki, to give them an answer, because they are seeing the body knocking around, etc. If not knocking, at least absorbed in the samadhi. So that is that they are seeing. So therefore, to such jadam prati samadhatum, to reply their doubt, reply their question. What does Shrutihi Bhaya Drishtya? Bhaya Drishtya means Adhyastha Prapancha Drishtya Prarabdham Vadati. It speaks of Prarabdha. That is, there are entirely two different realms that are there. So therefore, any talk of Prarabdha by Shruti should not be misunderstood that Shruti gives reality to the body. It is never, Shruti's intention is not due to reality, give any reality to the body. Continuing.
Natu dehadi tasya svabodhanaya vipashchitam देहादि सत्यत्व बोधनाय न यतः परमार्थैक गोचरः एव श्रुतेः अभिप्रायः.
Shruti speaks about Prarabdha, so to answer such aviveki people from Bhaya Drishti, but not for this purpose. What? Not for which purpose? To, in contrast to that, say, Vipashchitam means Jnaninam, in the case of Jnani, Dehadi Satyatva Bodhanaya, Jnani has got a body, etc., and he does many things, etc., and it is real, not to tell that, not to confer these things. Natu satyatva bodhanaya, natu bodhanaya to no. Why? Because this is the tatsarya, ascertained purpose of Shruti. What is that? Yataha, yasmat, because paramarthaika gocharaha eva Shrutehi abhipraya. Abhipraya, tatsarya of Shruti is what? Paramarthaika eka gocharaha. So, to reveal the Paramartha Swarupa, which cannot be made known by any other pramana. Shruti is a pramana to reveal the Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa, which cannot be made known by any other pramana. So that alone is the purpose of the Shruti, and not to give credence to the body etc. as real. Now, Paramarthaika gocharaha eva Shrutehe abhipraya. To reveal the Paramatma Swarupa, ultimate reality nature of the Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa. That is the purpose, Tatparya of the Shruti is described in terms of 7 shlokas.
Paripurnamanatyastam Aprameyam Vikriyam Ekameva Tvayam Brahma Neha Nanasti Kinchana. First line as it is. Paripurnam Anadyantam Aprameyam Avikriyam Ekam Eva Advayam Brahma Iva Nana Kinchana No Asti.
We'll take next time.
Swasti prajabhya pariparantam nyayena margena mahim mahika gopyamanebhya shubhamattu nityam lokah samasta sukhino bhavantu Hare Varshatu Parjanyah Prithvi Sasya Shadini Deshoyam Shodharahitah Brahmana Santu Nirvaya Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Mahashya Dukkha Bhave Asa